In front of me is LG Q70, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this LG. Begin by opening Settings. In them, scroll down and tap on Lock Screen and Security. Then click on Select Screen Lock and tap on the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. Now tap on one of those options. Require pattern to turn on phone or no thanks. I will go with no thanks, so I don't need to click on anything, and then confirm my choice by choosing next at the bottom. Finally, you can enter your login method. If you wish to change it, click on Retire at the bottom left corner and repeat it. Now select Next at the bottom right one in order to continue. Then repeat it in order to confirm it, and choose Confirm at the bottom right corner again. After that, manage notifications on lock screen, or disable them completely by tapping on this screen switcher. When you're ready, choose Apply, and now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on. Come on. Icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!